Hey there, and thank you so much for watching. So today's video is my hair routine. I'm sharing with you how I achieve a really voluminous braid out. Braid outs are one of my favorite hairstyles because it's so quick and easy. You can do it on wet or dry hair, and you can get different techniques every single time depending on how you set it. If you want to see how I achieved this braid out, then keep on watching. I'm starting off my braid out on freshly washed hair. I have a wash day tutorial that I will link down below if you're interested. For leave-in, I'm using the FOG Pro Vitamin leave-in that I love. It's packed with protein, so I use this about twice a month, just depending on how my hair is feeling. I'm spraying that all over and massaging it in so it is evenly distributed. For this style, I like to use blow dryer so that I can minimize frizz. I'll be using the Heat Protectant by Orlando Pita Play and my favorite dressing cream by The Main Choice to moisturize. Starting off, I part my hair into 4 sections, clipping the rest of my hair out the way, and to keep the moisture, I cover the remaining sections using a shower cap. To one section, I distribute the heat protectant and cream and massage in. Splitting that section in half, I'm going to detangle using a wide tooth comb before moving on to a wide paddled brush. And this will just ensure your hair is evenly stretched and detangled. Then with my blow dryer on warm heat, I use the tension method to straighten my hair with minimal friction or stress. Since I'm not straightening my hair, I care less about getting it perfectly straight and more about getting the hair stretched, if that makes sense. I'm going to massage my scalp using jojoba oil and black castor oil, and then using the cool shot on the dryer to cool the hair off and calm down the cuticles. Okay, I'm letting you in on my little secret weapon. The Main Choice Braid Out Glaze will give you the most bomb defined braid out every single time. This is perfect for wash and goes, for twist outs, for braid outs. It's super sticky, but it just makes your hair so defined. I never have a bad braid out with it. Unfortunately, I was running out for this tutorial and I already started filming it, so I just worked with what I had, and I'm going to add a little bit of it to my hands and massage it to each section, and then I'm going to cornroll my hair all the way down into one large section, curling the ends with my fingers and adding a little bit more product when needed. This will make your hair voluminous and your curls chunkier. If you prefer a more defined curl, then split that one section into 2 and you'll have a tighter, more defined end result. Showing you again on the other side, massaging the braid out glaze in, braiding down, and then curling the ends with my fingers. I do the same exact thing to the top sections. So here I have 4 sections ready to go, and since I was running out of the glaze, I just added a little bit of mousse to the braided sections. I don't mind using this, but use it sparingly as I find that mousse kind of dries my hair out if I use too much. To set my edges, I love the Cream of Nature Perfect Edges Hair Gel. It gives me the perfect hold and really sets my edges down. And yes, I'm using a toothbrush. I'll have them linked down. I swear by these ones, and they're amazing. Okay, to set everything for bed, I'm using my silk scarf and tying that around my forehead. This will give you that laid down look. Before bed, I'll apply my satin bonnet and I am good to go. It's the next morning and it's time for takedown. I rubbed a little bit of jojoba oil in my hands and gently removed all of the braids. Taking a pick, I just fluffed it out, and I added a headband for this look and just brushed all my hair towards the back of my head. See how stretched yet defined my hair is? I love how fluffy and voluminous it is. Honestly, it's my favorite braid out, and I hope you guys enjoy this end result as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so easy to do, and like I said, it will typically last me for 3 or 4 days before I need to give it a little bit of moisture again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are not already subscribed, please do so. Give the video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon in a brand new video. Bye!